Hello everyone! This lesson is about rosin. Rosin is a solid form of resin. Rosin helps the bow grip the string and produce the sound. When you get new bow, usually you will have just brand new bow without rosin. It means when you will play on violin, the bow just will slide and you will not have any sound. So when you get new bow, it means that your bow will be without rosin. It's usually. And when you will play with such a bow without rosin, your hair will just slide on the string and you will not have any sound of this. So it means if you have new one, just take your rosin and put it on the bow. I will show you how to do it a little bit later. If you would like more complete and advanced information, just kindly visit my website with the link in the description box below. I will be waiting for you there.